So why is that important? Well, by doing what we've just done, going through this two-step URL process where we send them to here, they click through onto the product detail page, what we're doing is we're gaming the Amazon system. We're gaming the Amazon system in two very, very distinct ways. Way number one, we are tricking Amazon into believing that this search has happened naturally. Remember when I showed you a natural search and how you would get from Amazon, from here, from doing a search engine results page search, a SERPs search, and clicking on it to the product details page? That happens naturally. Well, by doing a two-step URL, you trick Amazon into believing that that has happened naturally. Somebody came along, typed into the search browser, found your product in the most natural way product. We trick Amazon into believing that happened, or we did anyway. Second thing, what happens is we've now, when somebody clicks through, we've now gamed the bestseller rank and also the SERPs rank as well, the search engine results page rank, to make our product rank higher on Amazon for that given search term, okay? Which again is gaming the system and is completely against Amazon's terms of service, okay? That is completely against Amazon's terms of service. So that's the background to all of this cluster menagerie that's been going on. I'll try my best not to swear. That's the background to all the crap that's been going on. It's an effort by sellers to launch their products on Amazon using two-step URLs to directly manipulate the bestseller rank and the search engine results. That's what's been going on. Now, that had been going on for a long, long, long time. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.